Hello everybody, and welcome to this video demonstration of Tenable Network Security's Nessus Vulnerability Scanner. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the installation and configuration of Nessus. There were several changes in the latest release of Nessus, which at this time is version 5. The installation went through complete facelift. As you can see here, I have the screens that appear when you install Nessus after you get it installed. When you visit the website, you can then go through a wizard which walks you through installing Nessus, creating a new user, entering your activation code, and then, of course, downloading and updating all of the plugins. Now, a little bit of background information. I want to take a step back and show you the different types. So when you go to get Nessus and you go to a website to download it, there are a couple of different options. You can evaluate Nessus, which has a little bit less of a feature set than the full professional feed, which is available on our website. But the evaluation version will give you the ability to download all of the plugins that are being updated, perform vulnerability scans, and use our mobile apps for iPhone and Android, which is really nice. Now, the professional feed, of course, has extra features such as sensitive data searches, web application scanning, configuration auditing. I'm going to show you examples of all of that in this video series. Now, a lot of people ask the question, hey, I want to install Nessus. What platforms does it run on? And I'm always impressed as to the number of platforms that we actually support here at Tenable. You can see we support Windows, OS X, Linux. Now, these are the platforms where Nessus is supported as installing and running on it, not the ones that are supported as targets. So you can install and run Nessus from any one of these operating systems listed here, and of course including our iPhone and Android platforms as well. Now, if you have any questions or problems or issues or need more information about installing and configuring Nessus, the Nessus documentation is where you need to go. This first document right here, Installation and Configuration Guide, will take you through all of the steps in detail if you ever need a complete reference, as this video will kind of serve as an overview. I just wanted to point out, when you do go and install Nessus and you download it and you are installing it, that you can go to the command line. For example, I've got this running on my Backtrack 5 distribution that I maintain for the class that I run and also for running all of my testing and demonstrations. And this is as easy as it is to install and run Nessus on a Linux platform. You basically run one command, install the package, and you type another command to start the Nessus server. Once that's up and running, again, you use the browser, walk yourself through the installation. The GUI will walk you through the installation, and then you'll be presented with the Nessus web interface where you'll be able to log in and start using Nessus. So I'll just log in really quick here. I have a user set up that has a bunch of policies, and you'll be able to log into the interface. And so where we're going to go from here is I'm going to show you the three or four different processes that you need to go through once you've got Nessus installed and configured. You can create policies or use the built-in policies, create your scan template or scheduled scan from within the scans policy, and then when everything's done, you can go to reporting and you can view all of the reports and export reports. So next we'll take a look at policies.